My name is Norja Ayelas, an MSGC student. In this 3-minute presentation, I will be discussing marriage in the modern age.
Marriage in the modern age. For the key demographics, who is getting married? Age at first marriage. The average age of first marriage has increased significantly in recent decades, reflecting changes in education and career paths. Secondly is race and ethnicity. Marriage rates vary across racial and ethnic groups, with some experiencing higher rates and others experiencing lower rates. And lastly, educational level. Higher education levels are often associated with higher marriage rates, although this trend is complex and influenced by many factors. So what are the factors influencing marriage rates? First is the economic factors. Financial stability and employment opportunities can significantly influence the decision to marry. Secondly is the social norms. Cultural and societal expectations about marriage play a role in shaping attitudes and decisions. And lastly is the individual values. Personal beliefs, priorities, and aspirations contribute to individual choices about marriage. The economic impact of marriage is 25% higher income. Married couples tend to earn significantly more than single individuals, contributing to overall economic growth. $135,000 greater wealth. Married couples are more likely to own homes and have greater financial resources, contributing to economic stability. Technology and its effects on marriages. First is communication. Social media and instant messaging have changed communication patterns within marriages. Secondly is the intimacy. Digital distractions and online relationships can affect intimacy levels in marriage. And lastly is dating. Online dating platforms and apps have redefined the process of meeting and forming relationships. And for our conclusion, the future of marriage. Marriage continues to evolve, reflecting societal shifts and individuals' choices. It remains a significant institution, offering both challenges and rewards. It is clear that marriage will continue to adapt and change, reflecting the evolving values and norms of society.